Gabriel, é que a gente não dá pra...
The heavy rain that hit Lisbon on Wednesday night the 7th caused numerous damages and resulted in one death. A woman aged around 55 died in Alges, Oeiras municipality, due to a flood in her house caused by the rains, said a civil protection source. The Sapadores firefighters of Lisbon recorded 292 occurrences during the night and early morning. In the entire district, there were more than 600, the vast majority, 162 were flooding in private spaces, houses, and 96 on public roads. The areas of the city were those of Benfica, namely the parish of São Domingos de Benfica and Alcântara.